Hey Smarties! Naveen Kumar here from Smart Gadgets, and today we're getting our hands dirty with the POCO F6. This phone has been generating some serious buzz for its flagship killer title. But can it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions: a familiar face with a fresh look. Taking the POCO F6 out of the box, the first thing that strikes me is its design. It's a sleek and stylish phone, with a glass front and a plastic back that comes in a variety of vibrant colors. It feels comfortable to hold, which is a big plus for a phone this size. Now, some might recognize some design elements from the POCO F5, but the F6 definitely feels like a step up in terms of overall polish. Display: a visual feast, but maybe not the brightest flipping the phone over. We're greeted by a gorgeous 6.67-inch OLED display. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly smooth. Perfect for watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go. However, some reviewers have noted that the display isn't quite as bright as some of the top-tier flagships on the market. This shouldn't be a deal breaker for most users, but it's something to keep in mind if you spend a lot of time outdoors. Under the hood, powerhouse performance, mostly. Alright, let's pop the hood, metaphorically speaking, and see what makes this phone tick. The POCO F6 boasts the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This beast can handle anything you throw at it, from multitasking apps to running graphically demanding games. Now, some benchmarks have shown that the POCO F6 falls slightly short of some competitors in terms of raw processing power. But honestly, the difference is negligible in real-world use. This phone is a true powerhouse, and you won't be disappointed with its performance. The camera carousel: a mixed bag with potential. One area where the POCO F6 gets a bit interesting is the camera system. We've got a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50MP main sensor leading the pack. While the photo quality is decent in good lighting, it doesn't quite match up to some of the flagship killers it's competing with. Low light performance is a bit underwhelming, with some noticeable noise and blur. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor captures okay landscape shots, but the 2MP macro sensor feels a bit unnecessary. However, there's a silver lining. The POCO F6 offers a lot of manual controls in the camera app, which is great for photography enthusiasts who like to tweak their settings. With a little practice, you might be able to squeeze out some impressive photos from this camera system. Battery life and charging: a champion for power users. One area where the POCO F6 truly shines is battery life. The 5000 mAh battery is a monster and can easily get you through a full day, even with heavy use. Plus, the phone supports 90-watt fast charging, which is a lifesaver when you're running low on juice. The verdict: a worthy flagship killer, but not without flaws. Alright Smarties, is the POCO F6 the ultimate flagship killer? The answer is, it depends. Here's the breakdown. Looking for a powerful phone with a stunning display and amazing battery life? This phone ticks all those boxes. Need a camera that excels in all lighting conditions? You might want to consider other options. Value for money a top priority? The POCO F6 offers incredible specs at a competitive price point. Overall, the POCO F6 is a solid contender in the mid-range flagship killer market. It's got some fantastic features, but it does have a few shortcomings, especially in the camera department. So Smarties, would you consider the POCO F6? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures.